I'm Kane Black, and this is Train Robbers. We're all on the run under the hot sun. Smiling shyly down the barrel of a gun, but it's not my fault, I'm just doing what I'm told. The record keeps playing, but the song's got no doubt. You know I couldn't do the time, you know I can face the facts and turn around if you don't want a knife in your back. And it's all the same to me. If you never had control, then how can you lose it? How can you abuse it? If you never had the time, then where do you spend it? Why won't you mend me? Water dripping from the ceiling to the floor. You've had it, you can't take it anymore. You grab a knife out the kitchen drawer, lying lifeless in a pool on the floor. You know you couldn't do the time, you know I can face the facts and turn around if you don't want a knife in your back. And it's all the same to me. If you never had control, then how can you lose it? How can you abuse it? If you never had the time, then where do you spend it? Why won't you mend me? You're all just trying to get away. You're the dog that's stuck in the car on the summer's day. The more you think about it, the more you know it's true. You know there's nobody looking out for you. If you never had control, then how can you lose it? How can you abuse it? If you never had the time, then where do you spend it? Why won't you mend me? Thanks.